So I'm at the Hedgesville High School cross country course. I'm gonna run it today. It's pretty tough. We'll see how it goes. So that was the Hedgesville High School cross-country course. Pretty tough. This here, this is the hill. I guess from this angle it doesn't look as difficult as it actually is, but it happens over halfway. You've already run 1.5 miles or more, and then this hits you. And the problem is it's deceptive because you run up it and you think what you see is the top. You think that's the top. That's not the top, because you turn this way and it just keeps going up, and it just keeps going up. So I think that's what makes it challenging. If you just ran straight up to there and then went that way, probably not so bad. But yeah, keep going up. But right now, the course is well marked. We're in season, it's October. The views are nice. You got a little bit of foliage. Not peak yet, but and it's kind of a scenic run. You end up out by some train tracks, through some narrow cuts, which always makes it interesting. But yeah, if you're looking for a good run, this is it. We're over at the track, Hedgesville High School track. Yeah, if you like this, check out these other runs, GoPro POV runs. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.